Yo, what's up, peoples? Okay. So, what I got here is my seats for the Suzuki. And got a piece of material. Nail gun. I got this one from Harbor Freight about 5-6 years ago. I was doing some baseboards trimming. The only thing I think I may have a problem on, ow, hit myself in the gut, is see how long them staples is? That could be a problem because they're gonna come through the plastic, you know. And I tested it on another seat. Okay, hopefully y'all can see this right here. Where I got this one right here. Well, if you look on this side, see, I was just testing on this old seat here. But if with the okay, yeah, like on this one right here, I put one right here. So if I angle it and I put one here, and if I angle it, they don't come through. So what I'm gonna try to do is angle them. But I want to try. Hopefully I got enough material for this, because I've never did a seat. Look, me, I'll say why not try. Yeah, I've never did a seat. I've never covered a seat. But it don't hurt to try at least once. Yeah, I'm thinking right there. I've seen seats did before. I'm gonna have to get my air hose. I've seen seats did, and we used to have a really good seat guy here, but he passed away unfortunately. Last year he passed away of cancer. But man, that dude was good. Let me get my air hose over here. Yeah, so I got this years ago. I was in come on. I'm gonna say it might be time for a new one. I was in Harbor Freight, and what had happened, I was in there, and they had like an in-store sale, and so that's how I ended up getting it. Let me should I do this? I think I should do the sides first. Okay, I think I better put some in the side. Keep that seat down. One good thing also, this material has some elasticity to it, you know, so it is stretching pretty good. Seems to be working pretty good for me. It seems to be working pretty decent for me. I'll have to work some of the wrinkles out though. That seems to be okay to me. I think also I should have did the front first. I'm looking at it now. And pulling on this, I think I should have did the front first. But I only put 2 in the back, so I could always re-pull that. I may have to move this stuff because it's in my way. Being sliding. Now let me see. Get y'all a little closer too. Because I could always wipe it off, that dirt off later. Try to get this side. See, it pulls pretty good. It's just my hands aren't that great, you know.
Why do you lock the door?
Yeah, so pulling out the wrinkles is the hardest part of the whole thing. Yeah, because I think I could pull it to the back better. I think it's going to end up being pretty decent. Because my material stretches, got the elasticity to it. Yeah, so what I'm trying to do is just get the biggest, and then I'll come back and get the small parts. Okay, so you see how it's coming out pretty good so far. So let me basically I just gotta cut some of this off so it'd be easier to pull, and then staple it all down. But let me get a good deal of this did, then I'm gonna bring you back to get a better look at it. All right, so that's what we come up with the final product. What y'all think? I think for my first time ever doing a seat, I did a damn good job. Yep, I think I did a damn good job, boys and girls. Still got to do the pillion seat, and I got to get some material because I want to do the 1100 Big Blue. All right, y'all. I'm gonna probably do a video of the 1100 because that's the big seat. But I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.